Hey everyone, it's Danny with Watches.com, and today I have a real special treat for you. It's the Dorian Automatic by Archetype, and it's a great dress watch, a beautiful guilloche style, and I think you're really gonna like it. So let's take a look. Each Archetype watch comes in this beautiful packaging, a three-dimensional logo. You open it up, and there's the Dorian. So what you get with the Dorian Automatic is the dial has that beautiful guilloche, and then also it's 2 time zones. So on the left here you see that clear disc, that's your 1 time zone, and then the central hands is your other. What I like is that the clear disc, you can still see the guilloche underneath it, which I think is cool. Up at the 12-hour is the AM/PM indicator, and then the exposed balance wheel right on the bottom. Also, the strap is genuine leather and has that Croc stamp. On the back of the watch, you have an exhibition case back to show off all the mechanics inside, and then you have the rotor as well. All right, let's put on the wrist and see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can check out this watch and 1,000 other cool timepieces on Watches.com. Thanks, and see you next time.